Hello everyone. In this episode we are using molarity to find solute mass and solute volume. So it's more or less exactly the same as finding solute mass and solute volume through concentration or solubility. The only difference really is you have to find the molar mass. So in this problem we're given that we've added 260 milliliters of a 0.113 molar barium chlorate solution to a reaction flask. And it wants us to calculate the mass in grams of barium chlorate we've added to the flask with this 260 milliliters of solution. So, first things first, we find our molar mass. So, our molar mass consists of 6 oxygen plus the molar mass of 2 chloride plus the molar mass of 1 barium. Add them up, you get 304.2154 grams for every 1 mole of barium chloride. We're also given the molarity, which I've written everything in fraction form to make dimensional analysis a little easier for us. So the molarity is we have, for every 1 liter, there's going to be 0.113 moles of barium chlorate. We're given 260 milliliters of solution was added to the reaction flask. And because molarity uses liters, I always like to convert, first thing, I like to convert to liters, milliliters to liters. So we just do that with this simple fraction. For every 1 liter, there are 1,000 milliliters. So that just gives you a total of 0.260 liters. And of course, we're asked to calculate the mass. We want to know what the mass of barium chlorate is inside this 260 liters, or 260 milliliters, sorry. So, if we're given molarity in moles per liter, then I would say the best first step to solving this problem would be to find how many moles are inside 260 milliliters of this solution. So if we find how many moles are in that much solution, then it's very easy to find what the mass is of that amount of moles. We just multiply it by our molar mass and we'll be left with grams. So let's start with that. If we multiply 0.260 liters by our molarity, then the liters will cancel and we'll be left just with moles. So let's do that. So let's label this moles added, just so we know what we're doing. We're finding the moles added. And we're just going to take 0.113 moles of barium chlorate for every 1 liter, and we're going to multiply that by how many liters we've added. The liters will cancel, and you're just going to be left with 0.113 multiplied by 0.26. And if you plug that into your calculator, you are going to get 0.02 938 moles of barium chlorate. And now, finding the grams contained in this amount of moles of barium chlorate is very simple. We just multiply by our molar mass. We don't even need to change it in any way. So if we take this and multiply it by the molar mass, which is 304.2154 grams per every 1 mole of barium chlorate, then moles of barium chlorate cancel, and we're left with 304 multiplied by 0.02938. And if you plug that into your calculator, you will be left with, you'll be left with 8.94 grams of barium chlorate is contained within 0.02938 moles and contained within this 0.260 liters. And that is your answer. And we are doing 3 sig figs. 3 sig figs, check, double check. We have 4 sig figs here and 3 sig figs here. So we're going to use the lowest amount of sig figs for our answer. And so that indeed is our final answer. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.